Hello, this is Rob here from robcubban.com. I'm going to show you just another trick with guides and show you how to use them to line layers up in Photoshop. In order to create a guide, you just drag a guide down from the ruler at the top or the left. So there's a guide there. I'll just show you another one. Let's pretend we wanted to put another guide there. If you can't see the guides, of course, go View, Show, Guides, or Command or Control semicolon. But we have that checked, and that's why we can see the guides. When you have the guides up and you drag one of your objects, let's Command click on that square, and you go near a guide, you'll find that it snaps to the guide. So if you get near that guide, it goes right up against it. And if that's not happening to you, under View, you can see that here it's snapping to guides. It's also snapping to layers, and that means if I get that blue triangle and put it here, it will snap to the top of that other layer. If you go very close to it, it will make sure it goes right up against it. And so this is another way of aligning objects. I can be sure that all these objects are aligned exactly on a vertical line or a horizontal line if I am snapping to guides. So I thought I'd show you this on another image, show you how you can use guides. And here are some guides that I've drawn up earlier, and the reason I'm doing this is to show you how to create a three-dimensional square. So what I want to do is create a cube where every face of the cube has this sun graphic on it. So I'll copy that graphic, Command or Control J, and Command or Control T, free transform. And as you remember, if you hold down Control with free transform, you can move one of the grabbers of the free transform square, and it'll move that grabber, but it won't move the other grabbers. So I'm going to copy that one and transform this one holding down Command or Control so you can move one grabber of the transform box and not any of the others. Now I've got one more face of the cube to do, as you can see, but instead of copying that layer again and using free transform again to do it, I'm going to just copy that layer and go Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal, and then that will be the third face of the square. So I hope you enjoyed that, just showing you how to use guides to create a 3D box and explaining about viewing guides and snapping to guides. My name's Rob from robcubban.com. I'll see you in the next video.